Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lake Bonavista, one of Calgary's most beautiful and well-known neighborhoods. This area is located in the southeast part of the city and is famous for being the first Canadian community built around a man-made lake. It was developed in the late 1960s, and the idea was to create a place where people could live and enjoy the outdoors year-round. The neighborhood gets its name from the lake in the middle of it, Lake Bonavista. The word Bonavista comes from the Latin words for good view, which makes sense because the area is full of natural beauty, with trees, parks, and walking paths. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. And neighborhoods like Lake Bonavista are a perfect example of that. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta. Thanks for watching.